Halos lahat ng mga lalaki pumupunta sa mga dates nang walang clear na plano. Ang gagawin lang nila, they show up, have some small talk, tatagta rin ng getting to know questions. Itatry niya lang palagi na ma-impress yung babae, hoping that something good will happen. After the date, sasabihin ng babae, I had fun, pero wala nang second date. Magiging cold na yung usapan nyo sa text or sa chats, hanggang sa i-ghost ka na lang niya o mawawala na lang siya bigla. So, ang mangyayari niyan, nagsayang ka lang ng time, nagsayang ka lang ng effort, nagsayang ka lang rin ng money. So, kung nakaka-relate ka dun sa scenario na yon, you better watch this video dahil sa video na to, tuturuan kita on how to have purpose sa mga dates nyo. I'm Joms ng Project Pogi and welcome back dito sa channel na to where I will teach you on how to be a fit, attractive, confident, and a self-led man. And this is the best men's personal development content channel dito sa YouTube sa Pilipinas. So kung gusto mo maging fit, gusto mo maging attractive, gusto mo maging confident, at gusto mo maging self-led man, subscribe ka lang dito sa channel na to. I will release a lot of video every week na makakatulong para sabay-sabay natin ma-achieve yung best masculine version natin. So balik tayo sa topic natin sa video na to. The number one problem kaya hindi ka na nagkakaroon ng second date, nag-ghost ka ng ka-date mo, hindi ka pa rin nagkakaroon ng girlfriend, palaging failed yung mga dates mo, it's because you didn't know what you actually want from the start. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo alam yung purpose kung bakit ka nakikipag-date. Kumbaga, going with the flow ka lang. Alam kong sinasabi natin, alam kong meron tayong mga sinasabi na, let's just see where this goes. Pero ano lang yun eh, sprinkles lang yun. Kumbaga, butterfly effect lang yun. Pero as a man, we need to have a plan. Because a man without a plan is just a girl who's going with the flow. Again, lalaki tayo. A masculine man leads with purpose. Okay, bawat galaw natin, intentional. Kumbaga parang sa chess, hindi pwedeng bara-bara lang yung galaw mo. Go with the flow ka lang. Dapat intentional bawat moves mo. So bago ka palang mag-set up ng date, bago mo palang siya ayain makipag-date, dapat alam mo na kung ano ba yung purpose mo or kung bakit ka ba nakikipag-date or kung ano yung gusto mong makuha sa date na yon. Gusto mo lang ba casual fun lang? Gusto mo lang ba sex lang? Gusto mo lang hook up lang? Gusto mo ba ng potential girlfriend? O gusto mo ba ng date to marry na? Kasi hindi pwedeng pare-pareho yung approach mo sa bawat isa. If gusto mo lang ng casual fun, okay, you need to focus on throwing flirts, throwing banter, teasing, at good vibes lang. Kumbaga, parang gusto mo lang mag-enjoy. Yun lang yung focus mo. If you want sex, you need to build sexual chemistry at mag-throw ng flirt sa una pa lang. Pero if you want real connection, gusto mo ng girlfriend or gusto mo ng date to marry ka na, then you still need to flirt, have fun, build sexual chemistry with the intention of testing kung compatible ba kayo sa isa't isa. Pero kahit ano pa man yung goal mo, kung casual fun man yan, hook up, or girlfriend or date to marry ka na, sexual chemistry should be always a factor. Kailangan mo makabuo ka ng sexual chemistry. Kasi kung walang sexual chemistry, magtropa lang kayo niyan. It doesn't matter kung short-term or long-term partnership yung gusto mo. Kailangan magkaroon ng attraction. Kailangan magkaroon ng desire for intimacy, for sexual intimacy. Kailangan magkaroon ng ganong desire. Kasi yung sexual desire na yun na yung parang glue. Ang goal natin dito is for you to have a sexual partner, to have an intimate partner. So kung walang sexual desire doon, pang tropa lang kayo. So no matter kung ano man yung goal mo, short-term man or long-term man, kailangan makabuo ka ng sexual chemistry. Kailangan magkaroon ng attraction and desire for intimacy. So paano ba? It's by leading the date. Kasi usually dito nagkakamali yung mga lalaki. Hindi nila naiisip that women only follows the man's lead. Tayo yung nagli-lead, sila lang yung sumusunod lang sila. So yung magiging mood niya based sa date nyo, ang magdidikta nun is how you will lead the date or kung paano yung mood mo rin. If nagiging toxic siya sa date, nagiging bitchesa siya, nagiging bratty, it's because you allow it. If nagdi-disengage siya sa date mo, palagi siyang nasa phone, lagi siyang nagsuscroll sa social media, nagche-check ng stories ng iba, it's because you're not leading the interaction well. Pero if she's flirting back, getting turned on, nagiging makulit, nagiging kalog, it's because you are setting the tone of the date. Again, you are the man. You should be leading. Ikaw yung nagli-lead, yung babae lang nagfa-follow. So, kung hindi mo alam yung purpose mo sa date, hindi mo alam kung saan mo siya i-lead. Kasi paano ka mag-lead kung hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta? Hindi mo alam kung ano yung purpose ng date mo. Then she will feel it. And nothing kills attraction faster than a man who doesn't know what he's doing. So before ka makipag-date, make sure decided ka na kung ano yung gusto mong makuha sa date na yon. Kumbaga, ano yung purpose ng date na yon. Number 2, lead with clarity. Yung energy mo, yung mood mo will dictate on how she will interact with you. But again, whatever, kung ano man yung purpose mo, build sexual attraction. In that way, hindi ka ma-friendzone, hindi ka mag-ghost. Because a man without a plan is a man who hopes something will happen. Ang gusto natin mangyari is maging lalaki ka na merong plano. Because a man with a plan is a leader. And women are drawn to leaders. Okay? Kasi women don't date down. Okay? Hindi sila nagde-date ng mas mababa sa kanila. So, they date up. Okay? Dinidate nila yung mga lalaking alam nilang mas magaling sa kanila. Dapat mas magaling sa kanila yung i-date nila. So, kung ikaw hindi ka leader, then matik na sa baba ka na kaagad. So, make sure, kapag pupunta ka sa date, alamin mo yung purpose mo kung bakit ka nakikipag-date. Because always remember this, merong quote dito, ang sabi, a man who doesn't know what he wants will never get what he wants. So, alamin mo kung ano yung gusto mo para makuha mo. Kasi never ka masasatisfy, never ka ma-fulfill kung hindi mo alam kung ano ba talaga gusto mo. I hope meron ka nakuhang value dito. Comment down below kung ano yung sa tingin mo. Kung gusto mo pa ng more tips about masculinity, about dating, about confidence, or men's personal development overall, subscribe ka lang sa channel na to dahil marami pa akong i-release na video every week. So yun lang, let's go!